I'm Commander Exegius. Part of our series on engineering blueprints for core internals, let's take a look at thrusters. While somewhat less important for trade or exploration vessels, choosing the right blueprint and experimental effect for combat or speed builds is absolutely critical. Thrusters not only affect our cruise and boost speeds, but also our pitch, roll, and yaw rates, dramatically changing the maneuverability of our ship. Let's start with blueprints, where we have three choices: dirty, clean, and reinforced. Dirty drives are generally the most popular choice as they increase our velocity by 40% at the cost of an additional 12% power draw, 15% integrity, and 13% optimal mass loss, and a significant thermal increase of 60%. These are, however, an excellent choice for combat and speed builds, but you'll need to be mindful of the extra heat generated. Clean drives also give us a velocity increase, 28% versus the 40% of dirty. This is at the cost of 16% additional power usage, 16% lower integrity, and 10% lower optimal mass. They also have a significantly decreased thermal load of 60%. These are an excellent choice for high heat builds where you'd be using shield cell banks or energy weapons such as plasma accelerators or railguns. These are also a great choice for exploration ships as the decreased thermal lessens the chances of overheating during fuel scooping. Reinforced, likely the least used thruster blueprints, give us a significant increase in integrity, 110%, and a 50% thermal reduction at the cost of 25% more mass. These could be a good choice for an open safe trade vessel when there is a risk of pirates targeting and destroying your drives. For our experimentals, we'll start with likely the most popular, drag drives. This experimental offers an additional 4% boost to velocity at the cost of an additional 10% thermal load. These are a common choice among combat pilots who not only need high cruise and boost speeds, but optimal maneuverability. Double braced offers us an additional 15% integrity boost and works well on hull tank or trade ships where there is a risk of module damage. The Drive Distributors experimental offers us better overall optimal mass and can allow us to use smaller module size on larger ships, allowing us to run a lighter module for optimal jump range. Stripped down lowers our mass by 10% and is a very good choice for exploration ships where ultimate speed isn't critical but mass is, increasing our jump range. Finally, thermal spread lowers our heat generation by an additional 10% at the cost of 5% greater mass. When paired with other heat-saving modifications, this can be an excellent choice for shield cell bank ships where heat generation is a large concern. Hopefully this detailed look at thrusters will help you select the best blueprint and experimental effect for your build. Whether you're creating a long-distance exploration vessel or highly potent combat ship, there is a great blueprint and experimental choice available. Once again, this has been Commander Exegius, reminding you to fly dangerously, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that analysis of thruster blueprints and experimental effects, have a look at my other videos on module engineering. I also hope you'll join me each week for my live streams, Tutorial Tuesdays, and Friends on Fridays, and that you'll consider supporting my efforts on Patreon.